In today's digital world, seamless connectivity is crucial. So, with the rise of Wi-Fi enabled devices, setting up a network can be a cumbersome task. So, today we will walk you through the process of using Python to scan Wi-Fi QR codes and effortlessly connect your devices to your network. So, let's get started. Basically, this is a Python script that uses the OpenCV Python and PySbar libraries to detect a QR code in an image and extract the Wi-Fi network details from it. So the here script starts by installing the required packages, which is OpenCV Python and PySbar using the pip command and lisbar using the apt-get command. Next, the script imports the necessary libraries, that is CV2 for image processing and PySbar for QR code decoding. Then the image path variable, which is used to store the location of Wi-Fi QR code image. So in this example, we have taken a screenshot image with this path. You can upload any image and give the path as required. Then the script reads the image using cv2.imread function from the cv2 library and then convert it to the grayscale using cv2.cvt color. The script then decodes the QR code using pysbar.decode_gray function. And this function returns a list of QR code objects, each containing information such as location, size and decoded data. Then the script checks whether a QR code was found by checking the length of the QR codes list. So if a QR code is found, it extracts the network details from this QR code by decoding the QR code.data attribute. And finally, the script prints the extracted Wi-Fi SSID to the console. So if no QR code is found in the image, it prints a message indicating that. So just note that this script assumes the Wi-Fi QR code image is located in that specified path. You'll need to replace the image path with a correct path to your QR code image. Thank you.